Today I'm going to be showing you how to make DIY disinfecting wipes. Since we are running out in stores, I thought it would be a really good idea to show you how to make your own. It's very simple. You only need a few ingredients. So, the only ingredients you'll need are 2 tablespoons of Lysol multi-surface cleaner. This kills germs even when it's diluted, so this is the best thing to use when you're making these wipes. So then you also need 1 tablespoon of 70% rubbing alcohol, 1 cup of water, a regular paper towel roll that's cut into 2 halves. It's very easy to do with a kitchen knife, but you can use whatever you want. And then you can use a empty Clorox white container, or you can use any type of airtight container. So let's get started. So the first step is you're going to open your airtight container, whatever one you have, and you're going to take one of your halves. You're just going to put it inside, just like that. So now you're going to make your disinfecting solution. So you're going to add your 2 tablespoons of Lysol cleaner into your water. And then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of 70% rubbing alcohol. Okay, and you'll just mix it up. Okay, and then you're going to pour this solution over your paper towel roll. Put it all over there. Okay. After you have added your solution to your paper towel roll, you should wait for like at least 5 minutes, and so that it can soak it up. So now, as you can see, it kind of looks like wipes, and the middle part is a little softened. So now you're going to take it out. If you try taking this out before you add your solution, it's going to be a little hard. So, okay. So now we have gotten our roll middle part out. So that's our wipes. They actually smell like wipes too. So now let's take one of our wipes out. So now you're going to put your top back on. Okay, open it up. And this is how it's going to look. Just like your normal wipes. So just like our normal wipes, you can wipe anything, countertops. It works really well, just like any other wipe you normally use. And the best part is that it's really easy to do. So I hope you had fun making these wipes that are very convenient while this coronavirus is happening, and I'll see you next time. Bye!